Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy your React website into Netlify. So Netlify is a web hosting provider for static websites or React based websites. So it's a free provider and they offer great support for React based websites, and the websites are very fast. So it's a very good for when you are just starting out and you want to practice how to do deploys and automatic deployments. So I already have a sample dummy React project up and running. I have used Vite. So you can see that this is just a basic project. It could be something different that you have created. So let's go to the code, and obviously we have to put it on GitHub, and we need to put it check-in. So in order to deploy to Netlify, you need to put it on GitHub and make it automated. So you can also deploy the folder directly using a manual deploy, but when you connect Netlify to GitHub, it will be much more easier and it will deploy automatically whenever you update changes. So I have an empty repository. Let's just click on Initialize Repository to make a repository. If you want to know how to make Git and GitHub workflow, do check out this video. You'll find everything. So since it's a new repo, let's just do initial commit. Okay, I'm going to publish my branch. It's going to be React to Netlify. That's good. It's going to be a public repository. Okay, GitHub is now publishing, uploading files. Okay, it's now on GitHub. Let's just go here. So now that your code is living on GitHub, now you can connect to Netlify and then you can automatically publish it. So you have to go to Netlify, just do a Google search. It will be the first result. Go to Netlify and obviously sign up for a free account from here. I have already signed into my account, and you can see that all my websites are hosted on Netlify. So now I need to create a new website. Just click on the add new site, and from here click on import an existing project. So I have my project on GitHub, so let's just click on here. So I can import from GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket. So since I have it on GitHub, let's just click on GitHub. So I have to log in. I have already authorized it, but you have to log in using your GitHub credentials. So now these are all the repos. Let's just try React to Netlify, search. It's searching my repository. It's searching, and I have two repos. I have previously created one for a test. So this one is that I want to deploy React to Netlify. Just click on it. Owner will be okay, Thomas team. Base directory, it will be yarn build. If you are using npm, you can also name it as npm build. Since I'm using yarn, I'm going to do yarn build, and all the other things are going to stay default. Let's just click on deploy site. Let's just see how long it takes to deploy. So the site deploy is in progress. Okay, you can see the page is now building. We are just have to wait for it to build, and let's see how long it takes. So after the deploying, the next step would be to set up a custom domain. The good thing is that Netlify allows you to add a custom domain, set up a custom domain to your project without having to pay for a premium service. So I can see that Netlify has been published and my website is over here. So you can see this is a very long ugly URL. Okay, let's just go here. Okay, I have my React app up and running, and it's good. It's working. So it's now working fine. So now let's see if I can change my domain into something cooler. So let's just go to site settings, domain management, click on options, edit site name. So I can change my domain name into something cleaner, React to Netlify. Make sure that this name is already available. So let's just click on save. Okay, so this name is available, and now I have a very cool looking domain name, React to Netlify. It could be something simpler and cooler, and you can share it to your friends. Let's just click on it. Let me see if I have my website up and running. It's up and running and it's going good. Okay, fantastic. We are in business now. Let me show you why I have pushed to GitHub and I have connected to it. So let me show you that after that you have created your project. Now you would want to make some changes and push the updates. Let's say over here I want to change my name to the title. Over here, let me show you. This is my local version. I want to change the name to something like hello, this is Kamal Web from YouTube. Okay, I have made this change over here. I also want to change the color. So let's just go here, app CSS. Let me just change the color to some blue. It's over here. Now the color has been changed. Now I'm going to push the changes. Let's just commit by adding created a new color and text. Now I'm going to sync changes. So every time you sync the changes to your hosted repository at GitHub, it will automatically trigger a build. Let's just show you. So if I refresh it, you can see that I have already published it, created a new color and text. So it's 19 seconds ago. So now if I go to Netlify in my dashboard, site overview, you can see that Netlify has already picked up on the change and it's now processing and it's going to publish to my website. Let me just wait for the processing to complete. I can also click on it to see the deploy log over here, how it's going on. Okay, it looks like site is live. Wow, awesome. Let's just go to my website, refresh. Okay, it's working. So that's why, to recap, that if you post your publish your website on Netlify, it will be much more easier to have your React app deployed with a cool URL like this one. And also when you keep your changes tracked on GitHub, and every time you make a publish, if you every time you make a publish and push it to GitHub, it will automatically get picked and it will already deployed. So that's a very good option to have. So if you enjoyed what you saw today, if you learned something new, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.